Why does your scanner show the P0812 engine code? What does it mean? P0812 is a diagnostic trouble code for reverse input circuit. The P0812 engine code for indicate vehicle's computer is receiving an abnormal voltage or missing a signal entirely from the sensor that detects when your car is shifted into reverse. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty reverse input or safety switch, damaged wiring, corroded or loose connectors, blown fuse, PCM or TCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.